Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a C54 tile contractor license in California. So this license allows you to install ceramic and mosaic tile, granite, quartz, and other natural stone materials for floors, walls, showers, kitchens, bathrooms, and countertops. So to qualify, you need at least 4 years of journeyman level experience in the tile work, meaning you can perform the job without any supervision. But you must also be at least 18 years old and have a social security number or an ITIN. So once you meet the requirements, submit your state license application, and after it's approved, you'll schedule and pass 2 exams, the law and business exam and the C54 tile trade exam. So after passing both exams and completing the remaining license requirements, your C54 tile contractor license will now be issued. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you on the next video.